level of detail expressions, nested level of detail expressions. The results of a level of detail expression can be nested. This nesting can happen in a single calculated field or by referencing multiple level of detail expressions. Now typically there are performance considerations. LODs within LODs within LODs can have some performance impact, so do be careful. I also prefer to separate my LOD expressions into different calculated fields to make my life a bit simpler when it comes to reading and understanding, and also that allows me to explore each LOD in isolation before combining. But you can create a single calculated field with the following. As you can see, you have your exclude. We exclude an order date from our aggregation, and then we're doing an average of something. That something typically has been a aggregation from a field. However, we have now included a LOD in there, and we can keep on going. But we can include, exclude, include. The key thing here is to bear in mind the scope of each of the individual LOD expressions. It does become very complicated, and to be quite fair, there's not a huge amount of use cases where you will need to do this, but just be very careful if you do. Typically in my day-to-day, I very rarely, if ever, use nested LOD expressions. But the main thing from your learning perspective is to understand they exist, and the other thing is to drive your exploration and your creativity. At this point, you now have seen how we can write fixed level of detail expressions, include as well as exclude. So what I want you to do now is try to work with multiple versions and nest them together. So explore this concept of actually nesting your LOD expressions.